How to fix messenger group chat problems. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So messenger group chat problems can be due to various factors. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then make sure that your cellular data is working. After that, you have to simply go back and open up your phone settings. From over here, you have to search for apps option and go to it. In the apps, you have to select the messenger app, and here you have to tap on storage and cache option. So you have to tap on clear cache and clear storage option, due to which the messenger will be refreshed and you'll be able to solve the problem. You can go back to the messenger and see whether your problem has solved or not. If you are unable to solve the problem, then simply go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, you have to tap and search for messenger app, and if there are any updates available, then you have to simply tap on update and update your messenger. Sometimes the problem can be arise due to your outdated messenger, so if you update your messenger, then you'll be able to use the new feature and your problem will be solved. But if you are still unable to solve the problem, then the simple thing you can do is you can restart your phone by simply pressing the power button and tapping on restart. By doing that, your phone will be refreshed and you'll be able to solve the problem. And by following these steps, you can fix messenger group chat problems. So hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.